Greetings from Indus Valley Public School, Rat. Welcome to e-learning classes of English, where we will be studying a lesson from class 9th Moments book. Name of the lesson is A House is Not a Home. This lesson is written by Zen Corioso. Children, in this lesson we will be learning a difference between a house and a home via a child who is a teenager, who suffers from various changes during teenage, and he will make us to understand how a house is different from a home. So let's have a look. So in this lesson, this story reflects the challenges of being teenager. What kind of challenges? Like bullying, depression, appreciation, isolation, academics, eating habits, and recognition. So children, these are the general things that every teenager faces. Like sometimes they feel isolated when they are not surrounded with their friends. If they are not appreciated for the good things, if they are not recognized for the good things, there are different eating habits related to academics like studies and all. So all these things, these are the causes that affects the teenage. So similarly, here in this lesson, all these things will be revealed out. So story reflects the challenges of being a teenager and the problems of growing up. In our life, sometimes such changes take place that our life becomes intolerable for us, and sometimes want to end this life. But again we find that things change which make us to elate our life fully. In the story, the same thing happens with the author. He finds himself in such an awkward situation when he joins a high school. After some time, after some days, his house catches fire and he finds that his life has ended. But when his schoolmates show their concern for him, his whole vision for the life changes and he again starts taking interest in his life and make it euphoric. The narrator in this story is a teenager who finds it difficult to make new friends and adjust to a new place. He feels lonely and depressed, but soon his misconceptions about people are removed. The story revolves around Zan. He is the author. He was sad as he got into a new school. Means his school is changed. He has come to a different school where he did not have any friends. He did not have his old friends and was a junior there. He missed the old school and would visit it often. He had enjoyed being a senior there. So in his old school, he was the head boy of that school and he used to enjoy all the preferences given to the seniors. So all these things were not given in his new school, means recognition were missing for him. So he was missing his old school. So appreciation and this recognition, teenager ka problem is shown here. To add to his misery, one Sunday afternoon his house caught fire. Other than a few papers and photos of his father that were retrieved by his mother, they lost everything. So the memories of his father was only saved. Zen did not even have a pair of shoes. So everything was destroyed, all clothes, shoes and everything. So everything was burnt out except the memories, the emotions of his father was saved by his mother. His pet cat was also missing. He got depressed and did not want to attend school. He realized that he could not soak up in his sadness as they had to rebuild their life. They needed a new house, clothes, books, etc. Means everything was burned. Now, in order to lead a new life, he required everything. They did not have any cash, credits, cards, or identity proofs and had to borrow money from his grandparents. So, to earn the new life, to live a new life, he had to borrow money from his grandparents. One day at school, he was astonished to see a table full of things. Books were there, stationery items were there, clothes were there, which had been collected by his classmates. So whatever the things required by him, each and everything was collected and gathered by his classmates for him. They were helping him. He was overwhelmed and made friends. He came out of depression and realized that life was beautiful. So when everything was burned, when he lost everything, that time he was soaked in sadness and he thought of to end his life. But as soon as friends enters his life, when they helped him, he again regenerated his life. He elated his life. He saw his house being rebuilt and felt the same was happening with his life too. So now when he got everything, he started thinking again his burnt house that is gone. He again rebuilt his house and even he has rebuilt his life too. A kind woman returned his cat, which had run away of being scared of the fire. So that he was missing his cat, he lost his cat, but that cat was kept by a woman nearby because that cat escaped from that fire. He became full of life when he realized that life was not about material possession, but about love, affection, and being with one's loved one. Means anything that is there in your possession, that is not the life. What is the real life? When you have love, emotions, care, love of your loved ones, when your people are nearby you, that is the real life. Things like your comfort, luxurious life like car or your Almira, AC and all these things are materialistic. If they are lost, nothing is lost. If the people who cares you, who loves you, they are lost, then things are lost. Okay, so that is the real life. This we have seen in this chapter. Now coming towards the conclusion or the message given in this lesson is that it conveys the message that comradeship, that means friendship, and bonhomie are two strong factors that help build genuine relationship. Jan felt awkward, isolated and embarrassed by the changes that marked his early teenage. So as author was feeling awkward because he has faced some challenges in his life, but what happened? When new people approached him with open arms and extended a hand of friendship, he was overwhelmed. All his worries, fears and insecurities faded away. Means everything was gone away. Helping others in need and being grateful while getting help are the two values one should acquire. The teenagers especially should volunteer to make newcomers feel at home. That means when you are at teenage group, that means 13 to 19, that time a special care, attention is required with everyone. So they should, all the teenagers should give that kind of comfort zone to everyone. So another message is that one should not grieve over material loss. That means any object is lost, nobody should feel grief, should not feel sad or should not represent yourself in sorrowness. But as long as one has emotional support, one can overcome any loss. Means whenever you people are having your loved one with yourself, the people who cares you, the people who loves you should be with you, then you are having everything of this world. You are, you can say, crorepati for everything. Nothing is being lost. Okay, so you are luxurious if you are having everything. The people who are loving you, if you are having, then you are great. If you are losing your material thing, any object, nothing is lost. So try to save your loved ones, be with your loved ones, so you will be rich. Thank you for watching your video. Hope you understood the lesson and the message conveyed through this lesson. Thank you so much.